Hello and welcome to Kahindo Tech. In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Zoom password if you know it. If you don't know it, watch my other video. It should be in the video description. And if it's not, just let me know in the comment section and I'll edit, okay? But anyways, before we begin, let's hear a quick message from our video sponsor. This video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. If you find my video helpful at all and you would like to support my channel, please try out my Amazon Prime free trial. With this trial, you get free Prime delivery. You don't have to pay shipping fees anymore. Exclusive discounts for students. Listen to 70 million songs ad free. Watch award winning movies and TV shows. And you try all of this completely free of charge. If you don't like it, you can simply cancel before they charge you, okay? You can find the link to this free trial in my video description. It's completely free 6 months for students and 30 days for everyone else. Thank you for watching and get back to your video. Welcome back. To reset your Zoom password, if you know it, you first open up the Zoom app like I have here. Once you have it opened, look on the bottom right hand corner. Do you see where it says settings? Click on that. And then once here, look on the very top where it shows your display name. You want to tap on that. And then click over here where it says update password. And then from here, you can type in your old password and issue. It won't show you anything because like it just hides it because I'm sharing my screen right now. And then add my new password. Um, and then confirm my new password. Okay. So you put in your old password, add your new password, and then confirm your new password. Then click on where it says save. Okay. All right. That's how you can change. And as you can see, it says that my password was changed. That's how you reset your password if you know it. Okay. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to check out my Amazon Prime trial.